Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to uninstall Windows Update. Maybe somehow or some cases when Windows Update happen and maybe some issues happen in your computer, maybe something not working properly or some issues. So in this video, I will share with you by step how you can uninstall Windows Update from your computer. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to click here Windows Start icon, and then I'm going to click on Setting, and then you will see a new screen appear. Here you have to click Update and Security. Whenever you click on Update and Security, you will find here View Update History. Here you will find here Uninstall Update. Here you will see many lot of things will appear. You have to find out which one you was looking for. Here you will see Adobe Acrobat. I have no issues with Adobe Acrobat. Here you will see Microsoft Office. I have no issues, so I'm going to minimize that. I have issues within my Windows, so you can simply select. Here you will see there Microsoft Windows. Simply select. If it is within Adobe Flash Player, you can choose Adobe Flash Player, and then you can simply click on uninstall. If there is issue with the security update or there is issue with update of Microsoft Windows, you can simply select that particular item and then simply you can select on uninstall. So this is how you can uninstall from a Windows latest update and fix your issues. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.